Hello everybody. Okay, so now I've got this thing all assembled. It's running. It's been burning in overnight. Um, I've got it overclocked now, so it's just at 5.1 gigahertz. Even though this cam app here is showing 4.8. Let's see. Yeah, it's dynamically configured, which is even more awesome. So, this is cool. It shows you your temps on your video card, your GPU, and here on your CPU. So you saw for a moment there it spiked. Now it's just over. So I've got it overclocked basically to 5.1 gigahertz. And I'm very happy with this rig. So now what I'm going to do is add the second video card here, and this thing is just cool. It'll do 4K. It's not a gaming video card, but it's basically for what I call my secondary video wall, or video row, which will be my upper deck of three 27-inch Samsung curved monitors. So I'm going to install that here in a minute. And here are all my monitors, minus one, which is on my old workstation. So this is basically the video wall, and there's my my tree where all of the monitors are going to sit atop. So until next time, thanks for tuning in, and I'll show that next.